बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर अंजलि दहिया. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक पैरामीटर एंड एरिया. नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. In the previous class, we have learned how to find the perimeter and area of plane figures such as squares and rectangles. In this class, we will review the problems related to them and further take up the perimeter and area of few more plane figures like parallelogram, triangles and circles. Now, perimeter and area. Perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of the figure calculated by finding the sum of all its sides. The unit of the perimeter is same as the unit of the length of the given side. Following are the formula to find the perimeter of some plane figures. Now first is perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Area. Area is the region enclosed by a plane closed figure. The unit of measure area is the square unit of the length of the given side. Following are the formula to calculate the area of some plane figures. Now first is area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. Now example करते हैं. The area of a square is the same as that of rectangle. If the side of the square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. Solution करते हैं इसका. Area of the square, that is side into side, that is 40 का square. 40 into 40 is equals to 1600 centimeter square. Now according to question, area of the rectangle is equals to area of the square. So area of the rectangle is 1600 centimeter square. Let the length of the rectangle be x and breadth कितनी given है? That is 25 centimeter. But area of the rectangle क्या होता है? Length into breadth. That is 1600 centimeter square is equals to x into 25. X की वैल्यू निकाली 1600 centimeter square divided by 25 centimeter. That is equals to 64 centimeter. So length of the rectangle is 64 centimeter. Now perimeter of the rectangle क्या होता है? 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into 64 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. That is equals to 2 into 89 is equals to 178 centimeter. Hence the length and perimeter of rectangle are 64 centimeter and 178 centimeter respectively. Now next example. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are 120 meter and 75 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of the field and the cost of fencing it at rupees 40 per meter. Now B is the area of the field and the cost of turfing it at rupees 15 per meter square. Solution करते हैं. A part, perimeter of the field, that is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 120 meter plus 75 meter, that is 2 into 195 meter is equals to 390 meter. Now cost of fencing is 1 meter की cost क्या है? 40 rupees. तो 390 meter की कितनी होगी? 40 into 390, that is equals to rupees 15,600. Hence the perimeter of the field is 390 meter and the cost of fencing is rupees 15,600. Now next B part. Area of the field, rectangle है, length into breadth, that is 120 meter into 75 meter, that is 9,000 meter square. Cost of turfing is equals to rupees 15 per meter square. 1 meter square की 15 rupees. तो हमें कितने की निकालनी है? 9,000 की multiplied by 9,000, that is rupees 1,35,000. Hence the area of the field is 9,000 meter square and the cost of turfing is rupees 1,35,000. Now next example. The cost of fencing a square field at rupees 16 per meter is rupees 32,000. Find the cost of reaping the field at the rate of rupees 35 per 100 meter square. Solution करते हैं इसका. Total cost of fencing is rupees 32,000. Rate of fencing per meter कितनी है? 16 rupees 16 per meter. तो perimeter कितना होगा? Total cost divided by rate per rate. That is 32,000 divided by 16 is equals to 2,000 meter. But perimeter of the field क्या होता है हमारा? Square field है, 4 into side. तो side निकालेंगे तो that is 2,000 upon 4, that is equals to 500 meter. Area of the field is side into side, that is 500 meter into 500 meter, it is equals to 2,50,000 meter square. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ रीपिंग 100 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट है ₹35, तो 1 मीटर की कम होगी, दैट इज 35/100, और हमें कितने की करनी है 2,50,000 मीटर स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2,50,000, that is equals to rupees 87,500. Hence, the cost of ripping the field is rupees 87,500. Now, next example. A rectangular park measuring 125 meter into 60 meter is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide outside it. Find the cost of paving the path with bricks at the rate of rupees 120 meter square. Solution करते हैं. Let ABCD is the rectangular park with length 125 meter and breadth 60 meter. Area of rectangle ABCD is AB into AD, that is 125 meter into 60 meter, that is equals to 7,500 meter square. Width of the path कितनी है 4 meter. So EFGH be the rectangular path together with the path such that कि ये path को मिलाकर कितना हुआ. EF is equals to 125 meter plus 4 meter is equals to 133 meter, and FG is equals to 60 meter plus 4 means दोनों साइड से लेंगे, that is 68 meter. Now area of rectangle EFGH is equals to EF into FG, that is 133 meter into 68 meter is equals to 9,044 meter square. Clearly area of the path का एरिया निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, EFGH के एरिया में से अंदर ABCD का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे, तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल EFGH माइनस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ABCD. Now that is 9,044 meter square minus 7,500 meter square is equals to 1,544 meter square. Now cost of paving the path 1 meter square की cost है rupees 120, हमें कितने की करनी है, that is 1,544. So cost of paving the path 1,544 meter square is multiplied by 120, that is equals to rupees 1,85,280. Hence the cost of paving the path is rupees 1,85,280. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is area and perimeter of parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. Let us devise a method to find the area of a parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram ABCD on a sheet of paper. Through vertex A, draw AE perpendicular to DC and cut out triangle ADE. Place the cut out triangle on the other side of parallelogram and adjust the side AD of the triangle in such a way that it coincides with the other side BC of parallelogram as shown in the following figure, like this. Now we have converted a parallelogram into a rectangle of equal area. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is AB into AE. That is base of the parallelogram ABCD multiply by height. So area of parallelogram is equals to क्या है हमारे पास, base into height, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of parallelogram is also equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Now keep in mind, height is also called altitude. Since a rhombus is also a special type of parallelogram in which all the sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel and diagonals intersect each other at right angle. So area of rhombus is base into height, and area of rhombus is also 1/2 into product of the diagonals. Now examples करते हैं. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. C is perpendicular to AB and BF is perpendicular to AD. If AB is 12 cm, AD is 10 cm and CE is equals to 8 cm, find BF. Solution करते हैं. Area of parallelogram ABCD is base into height, that is AB into CE, that is 12 cm into 8 cm, that is equals to 96 cm square. Also area of parallelogram ABCD is AD, दूसरा हम क्या लेंगे, perpendicular into BF, that is 10 cm into BF, that is also equals to 96 cm square. From 1 and 2 we get 10 centimeter into BF is equals to 96 centimeter square. So BF is equals to 96 upon 10 is equals to 9.6 centimeter. Now next example. Find the area of a rhombus in which each side is 15 centimeter long and one of whose diagonal is 24 centimeter. Now solution करते हैं. Let ABCD be the rhombus in which AB is 15 centimeter and AC is 24 centimeter. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So OA is equals to half of AC, that is half of AC is 24, that is 12 centimeter, and angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. So OB is equals to under root AB square minus OA square, that is 15 centimeter square minus 12 centimeter square, that is 225 minus 144 is equals to under root 81, that is the square root of 9. So BD is equals to 2 into OB, that is 2 into 9 is equals to 18 centimeter. So area of rhombus ABCD is 1 upon 2 into AC into BD, product of diagonals. That is 1 upon 2 into 24 centimeter into 18 centimeter, that is equals to 216 centimeter square. Hence the area of rhombus is 216 centimeter square. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is area and perimeter of a triangle. To determine the area of a triangle, let us draw a rectangle ABCD and cut it along diagonal AC to obtain two triangles ABC and CDA. Now superimpose on one triangle, say triangle CDA, on the other triangle ABC so that its vertex C, D and A falls on vertex A, B and C of triangle ABC respectively. You will observe that the two triangles cover each other exactly. So triangle CDA is congruent to triangle ABC. So area of triangle CDA is also equals to area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle CDA plus area of triangle ABC, that is the area of rectangle ABCD. And area of rectangle क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Area of triangle CDA plus area of triangle CDA, दोनों के ABC की जगह हम CDA लिख सकते हैं. That is area of rectangle ABCD 2 times area of triangle CDA, that is equals to area of triangle ABCD. So area of triangle CDA is half of the area of rectangle ABCD. So area of triangle CDA is equals to half of DC into AD. So area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle CDA, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Also the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its sides. That is perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Keep in mind, area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square, where A is the side of the equilateral triangle. If three sides of a triangle are given, then to find we use Heron's formula. Let ABC be the sides of a triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under root, where S is equals to 1 upon 2, half of the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C. Now example करते हैं. Find the area of triangle whose base is 12.50 meter and height is 8 meter. Solution करते हैं. Area of triangle अभी निकाला, 1 upon 2 into base into height, that is 1 upon 2 into 12.50 meter into 8 meter, that is equals to 50 meter square. Now next example. In triangle ABC, AC is 10 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and AP is 7 centimeter. Find A, area of triangle ABC and length of BQ. Solution करते हैं इसका. A, in triangle ABC, BC is 6 centimeter and AP is 7 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC is 1 upon 2 into base into height, that is 1 upon 2 into BC into AP. That is 1 upon 2 into 6 into 7, that is 21 centimeter square. Now B. Now taking AC as the base of triangle ABC, we have AC is equals to 10 centimeter and BQ is equals to height. So area of triangle ABC is 21 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सेम ही आएगा, कोई भी बेस कोई भी हाइट ले लो. नाउ इट इज 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट इज 21 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू height is AC into BQ, that is 21 centimeter square. 1/2 into 10 centimeter into BQ is equals to 21. BQ की वैल्यू निकाली 21/10 into 2, that is 4.2 centimeter. Now next example. Find the area of triangular field whose sides are 78 meter, 50 meter and 112 meter. Solution करते हैं. Let A is 78 meter, B is 50 meter and C is 112 meter. Thus S is equals to half of A plus B plus C, that is 1/2 into 78 meter plus 50 meter plus 112 meter, that is 240/2 is equals to 120 meter. तो area of triangle according to Heron's formula, that is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is 120 meter under bracket 120 minus 78, 120 minus 50, 120 minus 112, that is equals to 120 into 42 into 70 into 8 meter. Now इनके हम क्या करेंगे, सबके पेयरिंग कर लेंगे, मीन्स इनको डिवाइड कर लेंगे. किस तरह से कि आपके पेयर्स बन जाए, दैट इज 2 into 6 into 10, 6 into 7, 7 into 10, 2 into 2 into 2. नाउ पेयरिंग करेंगे, सो 2 into 2, 6 into 7 and 10 मीटर स्क्वायर. और ये सारे कितने हैं, 2 टाइम्स है तो इनका स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर से रूट क्या हो गया, कैंसिल. सो इट ये मल्टीप्लाई किया 1680 तो स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, तो हमारा क्या आ जाएगा 1680 मीटर स्क्वायर. हेंस द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर फील्ड इज 1680 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is circumference and area of a circle. A circle is the path of all points equidistant from a fixed point called center of the circle. The fixed distance is known as radius of the circle. It is a line segment joining any point on the boundary to the center. Now circumference of the circle. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. It is the perimeter of the circle. If R is the radius of the circle, then circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, that is RD, because 2r is equals to 2 times r is equals to diameter of the circle, that is D. Also the area of a circle is a region bounded by the circumference of the circle. The formula to find the area of a circle is, that is pi r square. Pi की वैल्यू हम 22/7 लेते हैं, right? That is pi r square. In terms of diameter, area of the circle is pi into d/2 square, that is 1/4 pi d square. Keep in mind. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter is the same for all circles and it is called pi. Take the value of pi as 22/7 or 3.14. Examples करते हैं. How many times will the wheel of a car rotates in a journey of 88 km if the diameter of the wheel is 56 cm? Solution करते हैं इसका. Diameter of the wheel is 56 cm. Circumference of the wheel is pi d, that is 22/7 into 56, that is 176 cm. Length of the journey is 88 km. तो इसको हमें सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. 88 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. Number of times the wheel will rotate in covering the above journey. तो क्या करेंगे, लेंथ ऑफ द जर्नी को डिवाइड कर देंगे सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द व्हील से, दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ द जर्नी डिवाइडेड बाय सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द व्हील, दैट इज 88 into 1000 into 100 divided by 176 is equals to 50,000. Hence the wheel of car will rotate 50,000 times. Now next example. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 3.5 centimeter. Find the area swept by it in 1 hour. Solution करते हैं. The area swept by the minute hand in 1 hour equal to the area of the clock. So required area is pi r square. R क्या है, जो minute hand की का जो लेंथ है, that is 3.5 centimeter square, that is the R, that is 22/7 into 3.5 centimeter square, that is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, that is equals to 38.5 centimeter square. Now next example, टू कोसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स, कोसेंट्रिक जिनका एक ही सेंटर होता है, ऑफ रेडियाई 21 सेंटीमीटर एंड 28 सेंटीमीटर आर ड्रॉन as shown in the figure. Find the area of smaller circle, bigger circle and the shaded region enclosed between the circles. Solution करते हैं इसका. रेडियस ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्कल, स्मॉलर सर्कल की रेडियस कितनी है 21 सेंटीमीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर, दैट इज 21 सेंटीमीटर. 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 is equals to 1386 centimeter square. Now radius of the bigger circle is 28 centimeter and area of bigger circle is pi r square. उसकी रेडियस कितनी है 28 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 22 by 7 into 28 into 28, that is 2464 centimeter square. Now C is area of the shaded region. Shaded region क्या है, बड़े वाले सर्कल के एरिया में से छोटे वाले सर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ बिगर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल, दैट इज 2464 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर माइनस 1386 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1078 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया, इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.